Hi, like I promised from my previous review with two Alpine 2 pods that I will show you on my stove. It's a Coleman 533 and it's work with normal fuel. So let's see how it's in. It's coming with 3 years warranty, so it's pretty good, I think. And protection. Just look like that. This is the power, like off, low and high. So off it's here, low it's probably somewhere here, and full power it's here. So from here you add the fuel. It can be, I think, any fuel, anything. And after you have this small pump, so from that side it's closed, and left side it's open, so you need to pump it some 20, I think, or 25 times, like I saw on other reviews. And you lock it, and I think after it's ready to use. So this is, I think, 500 ml capacity, and I bought this small guy for extra fuel. Maybe we'll need it. It was pretty cheap, this one, pounds, just £1, but I think it will work. Maybe. And yeah, it's not really heavy, probably kilo. And yeah, I think so. Like I said before, that's weight kilo or 900. So I want to show you like the real weight with my scale. So let's have a look. And actually it's less, 880. So that's good. It's not really heavy, and I think it's perfect for camping, like I will do, or backpacking. And the good thing with this one is that it's work with any fuel, like any, and it's easy, to have it in any country, because you can find fuel everywhere. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you.